What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you're subscribed down below. So jumping straight into this video, so we'll be doing a wig review for Nadula hair, and I just want to show you this cutesy bag that the wig came in. Like, this is too cute, like A+ for packaging. So I want to show you the wig straight out of the package and some of the goodies that I got that you can get on the website. So I got some wig cap, especially this brown wig cap. I haven't seen a wig cap, well, this thin with this brown color that I don't even have to put makeup on. Like, I can't wait to try that. So straight out of the package, this is their new glueless 2.0 pull and go wig, and it is a 7x5 pre-plucked, pre-bleached lace closure wig with a drawstring to adjust. And I got this in a YAKI straight texture because I absolutely love when I have a center part black hair that is YAKI texture. Just looks super natural. So it comes with the drawstring in the back and also the adjustable band, and it also has these grits on the back that hold on to the back of your head. It's just an overall great fitted glueless wig. So I'm just adjusting the inner part of it, and then the drawstring you pull down, and then it also has this button on it that you can use to lock your wig size in place. So this is perfect if you need adjusting, because you know sometimes your head size doesn't quite fit into the 3 basic categories, but you can adjust the wig to fit your exact head size and then lock it in place with the drawstring. Like, perfection. Like, that is a game changer for everyone who needs their glueless wig to actually sit on their head without using glue. So now I'm just adjusting the color of my lace by putting some bronzing powder on there just so it could match me to perfection. Now it is time to install, and I'm going to use some edge control to slick back my edges. I'm a lazy girl when it comes to wearing wigs. I like the easiest, simplest method, and something that I could take off at night. Like, I don't like anything on my head when I sleep, so I'm going to forever do the simplest way, which is just pulling back my edges and then putting on a simple wig cap. And this wig cap is perfect because it is so transparent while protecting my hair and also having a scalp-like tone to it. So after doing all my adjustments, I'm just gonna flip the wig back. I didn't pull the drawstring too tight just yet because I want to make sure that it is sitting how I want it to sit and make sure everything is aligned. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pull it and then adjust the button in the back and tuck in the extra piece. So now it is time to install our unit. So I realized that I need a little bit more powder, still a bit bright, so I'm gonna go in with that same bronzing powder that I used on my face so that my forehead and the lace can have the same tone. So then I go in with a smaller brush just to get a little bit more closer to the edges instead of a big brush, and it made such a huge difference. And so far, look at that. Now I'm just gonna take a scissors just to cut a little bit of the excess lace off, like nothing too crazy. I just felt like I wanted to trim it a bit. And then all I'm gonna use is some lace spray on the tip of my finger just to make it look super melted down. But trust, with a little bit of water, this wig will come right off. But not, when I say right off, I mean like you can pull it off, but if you were somewhere you were sweating, your wig is still gonna sit in place because you adjusted it to tighten to lay glueless. But I just wanted that, you know, melted look without it actually being like fully melted. So now I'm just going to give the hair some layers in the front. Like, I can't do without the layers. Like, I need the layers in the front to frame my face. And what I love about this unit, because you know a lot of times with YAKI straight hair, you feel like they don't take heat very well, but look how silky smooth this hair is being flat ironed with just one passing. So the hair again is 100% human hair, and it can take heat. It is human, okay? It is quality. So you can use your flat iron on high on that 450 and it will be perfectly fine without burning the hair or destroying it. So now this is what our unit is looking like. Like, look how pretty this hair is. Look how flat it is sitting. Like, y'all saw that my cornrows weren't even perfect because I did them myself. Like, they were not perfect. They were a little bit bulky, but look how flat the wig is sitting. Look at that lace. The lace is just everything. Like, I'm loving this upgraded glueless unit that they have. Like, yes to everything. Now I wanted to style the hair because a lot of times we get closure wigs and we feel like we just have to wear them as is. So I just wanted to do some cutesy style with it. So I'm just going to do 2 simple styles that you can do to your lace closure wig, so you can get some inspiration to, you know, just style it up. It doesn't have to be the same thing, but I'm just going to show you like you can do just about anything with a closure wig. So all you have to do is just make sure that the side isn't showing, or if you have, or you can use a little bit of edge on the side, like leave a bit of your edge if you're gonna lift the sides. But like, look how simple and easy this little cutesy style was. So I'm just gonna show you this and one more style, and yeah, the hair is just bomb. So again, we're testing the curl, or testing the heat rather, of this hair, and look how it curls so easy with just one passing with my big curling iron. Like, she can take heat. So if you're wondering if you could do some light waves with this hair, you definitely can. Or you can do one curls with it as well, because yeah, she can take heat. And also to note, I'm doing all these styles, and do you see that lace moving? The hair is so secured because of the drawstring elastic in the back. Like, she is sitting in place. The wig is super secured and safe. So yeah, the adjustment in the back, perfection. So now we're just doing some cornrows, just something simple and cute again. And yeah, like, I like this one because it was simple to do. And if you can't braid, you can do a twist and then tie it in the back, and that is it. So if you do feel a little bit of lifting, you can just put a little bit of the spray on your fingertip and just tap it, and that is all there is to this unit. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. I am obsessed with it. She's gonna be in heavy rotation because it is just giving flawless and natural. All the details will be in my description box down below. I love y'all beautiful people for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.